Hello everybody, my name is Bing. I was born in 1991 in Taiwan. I quit, and now I'm living in Hanoi with my friend. My family is five people: my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and I. My parents is farmer. My hobby are listening to music, watching cartoons, and going out with my friends. Mm, I like jogging. I like jogging in the afternoon. I like learning English because I speaking English mm, very fast, and I know it's very important for my job.